When it comes to surveying services in Saket, Scon Design Delhi is a name that stands out. As experienced surveyors in Saket, they provide a wide range of services to cater to the needs of their clients. With a team of highly skilled professionals and state-of-the-art equipment, Scon Design Delhi ensures accurate and reliable surveying results. Their expertise in surveying has made them one of the most sought-after surveying firms in Saket. Saket is a bustling area in Delhi with a mix of residential, commercial, and industrial properties. The need for surveying services is high in this area, as property owners and developers require accurate measurements and assessments for various purposes. Whether it's for land development, construction projects, or property valuation, Scon Design Delhi offers comprehensive surveying services to meet the specific requirements of their clients. As surveyors in Saket, Scon Design Delhi has a strong understanding of the local regulations and requirements. They are well versed in the land laws and zoning regulations in Saket, ensuring that their surveys comply with all the necessary guidelines. This expertise allows them to provide accurate and reliable surveying services that can be trusted by their clients. Scon Design Delhi utilizes advanced surveying techniques and equipment to ensure the highest level of accuracy in their surveys. They use tools such as total stations, GPS systems, and 3D laser scanners to capture precise measurements and create detailed surveys. This technology enables them to deliver accurate results quickly and efficiently. One of the key services offered by Scon Design Delhi is boundary surveying. This involves determining the legal boundaries of a property, which is crucial for property owners and developers. By conducting thorough boundary surveys, Scon Design Delhi helps their clients avoid legal disputes and ensure that their properties are properly defined. Another important service provided by Scon Design Delhi is topographic surveying. This involves mapping the natural and man-made features of a piece of land, including its contours, elevation, vegetation, and existing structures. Topographic surveys are essential for land development projects as they provide vital information for site planning and design. In addition to boundary and topographic surveys, Scon Design Delhi also offers construction layout surveys, as-built surveys, and property line disputes resolution. Their comprehensive range of services makes them a one-stop solution for all surveying needs in Saket. In conclusion, Scon Design Delhi is a reputable surveying firm in Saket that offers reliable and accurate surveying services. With their expertise in surveying and advanced equipment, they provide comprehensive solutions for various surveying needs. Saket is a well-known residential and commercial area in Delhi, India. With its prime location and excellent connectivity, it has become a popular choice for both individuals and businesses. As the demand for properties in Saket continues to rise, the need for professional surveyors has also increased. Surveyors in Saket play a crucial role in ensuring that the construction and development projects in the area are carried out efficiently and in compliance with all regulations. When it comes to surveying services in Saket, one name that stands out is Scon Design Delhi. Scon Design is a reputable firm that specializes in providing high-quality surveying services to clients in Saket and other parts of Delhi. With their team of experienced and skilled surveyors, they offer a wide range of services including land surveying, topographic surveying, boundary surveying, and construction staking.